Hi everyone, this is Louisa, the Eat Right Chef and Integrative Nutrition Health Coach. In this video, I'm going to talk about how wheat affects different blood types. Wheat is a problematic grain, as I have explained in my other video about gluten-free food and diet. Now, if you are type A and if you experience excess mucus or frequent infections in your body, you should cut out wheat completely because wheat contributes to mucus production. If you are type B, wheat messes up your insulin regulation, so it could lead to insulin resistance, which would again lead to a whole host of other chronic diseases. And if you are type O, wheat is a major contributor to weight gain. So if you're wanting to lose weight, make sure you cut out wheat completely. Wheat is also problematic in that it affects proper nutrient absorption, and it also leads to sluggish metabolism, which is why it leads to weight gain. And if you are type AB, like type A, if you have excess mucus problems such as asthma, then you should also cut out wheat completely. But type AB have a little bit more leeway in wheat. If you don't have that problem, then you can enjoy it a couple of times a week. So that's just a very brief snapshot of how wheat affects different blood types. A safer way to enjoy products such as pasta and bread is to go for either sprouted wheat products or spelt products. Sprouted wheat products can be found in, for example, bread that's manna bread or essen bread, but pay very close attention to the ingredient list because some of the breads have whole wheat in it and it's not sprouted, and sometimes the ingredients contain unsprouted grains as well. So make sure you buy one that contains sprouted wheat and not regular wheat, okay? And when it comes to spelt, it's an ancient form of wheat that is higher in protein and much easier to digest than today's wheat. So it's a very good option for you, and there are products in the market, pasta or bread made with spelt. You just have to look for them. But there is one blood type that should not have spelt, and that is type O non-secretors, which are the minority within the type O population that makes up 20% of the population. So no spelt for that group. And I think those are the advice that I would give when it comes to wheat. But in general, because there is wheat in so many processed food out there, my suggestion is for you to really just avoid any processed food, and your health will be much better. All right, if you like this video or any of my other videos on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. And you can also subscribe to my newsletter if you want to learn more about the blood type diet and how to incorporate that into your daily routine and how to cook for your blood type. So I will see you in the next video. Bye!